Okay, hello. Can you hear me? Okay, yes, you can. Okay, so I'm not going to talk much through this because it's late, but I am going to just do it kind of slow, just so I'm like not going too fast. So, like, you can pause and like do whatever I do. I will also be making several versions of these files, one red, one green, one blue, one purple, so on and so on, if that's possible. So, yes, I'm just going to try and do that. And yes. Okay. Bye bye. One of these files, I'm pretty sure, is for specifically the DLC cups, and the other is for the normal background. But you want to edit them both to make them both the same, because that's what you need to do. Or because I actually don't know specifically which one's for, but I guess we're just gonna go along and find that out as we record and experiment. By the way, I've also already made red and green, so I am going to try and in fact make blue. Just like not the blue that's in game, like maybe a dark, deep blue. Um, how I find out what color to do is by using just hex color picker. This comes up and you want to follow this, for example, and put the first digit in. For example, I put in 60, and it made this very nice green color. And this is the red I made. So this is the red, and this is with the DLC cups. As you can see, it doesn't change color, unlike in the original where when it's the original is blue and then it changes to pink and purple, and it stays red no matter what. And then the same here. This is a little darker in here, but like I said, this is my second attempt. I don't know everything. Mute. So what you want to do is make sure that the value is 0. That makes it so that means no color appears and it's that straight color. So for example, it's all 0, but right is green is 60 and 60. And with blue it's 0 and 0. So I'm going to double click and edit to make it 0. That's the first thing we want to do. And then with the right top blue, you want to go here and find a really dark blue, and this is 68, but this is 60. This is the exact color I picked, and notice how 60. So I'm going to actually make sure that's like not close at all. So I'm going to do 34 instead, just to, I don't want to screw anything up. So just edit it, 34, 34. And that's it for the hex, like the vertex colors. You can just minimize these, and now we go into the materials colors. Now as you can see, the back color red is 0. The back color green is 60 though. You wanna edit that to 0 or whatever this is. If you want it to be green, keep it 60. That's how you'll get this the nice green version, like I said. This is me just saying. And make him 34. So you want to make this 34. 34. Um, back color, white color. You make everything 0, the value, and then As you can see, the value for all this is 60. Ah, the reason why it's probably black here is because I didn't edit the last one to be 60. So yes, that's why. Am I talking? Can you hear me? Yes, you can. Okay, just making sure. So make sure that, like, if you want them, you want to make sure they're all done. I just did that by accident. So see, like I said, we'll be learning. So make sure that the green is, you know, this is an edit version, by the way. And white color blue. As you can see, they're all 0. I want to make that 34. So 34, 34, 34, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Back keyframe blue. Make sure that these are also 34, and then 0, and then 0, and then that's it. And that's literally it. You can just X out this and, you know, I'd like to double click it and make sure that everything's set. So everything that was green before should be 60, and if it's zeros, and if blue's not edited to 34, you know it's saved. But like, you can't right click and export, you just exit, and then you exit again, and then you go into the original and save. Now I am going to keep it on specifically this screen, and I'll upload the final result. So I'm just going to keep it recorded, but I am going to pause it as I, use the RCM and pay. So I'm just going to send it here. Okay, so I'm going to pause it. Actually, also just another thing. In order, hopefully I'm just not going to act stupid here. Okay, yes, I acted stupid. Rip. Okay. Well, same thing as always. Okay, so you can hear the game loading up. You can't see it because I don't have a capture card, but you can hear it. And this also works for 2.1.0, which is basically wave 2 of the booster pass. Booster course pass. So single player. And, well, it didn't kind of work, but you will see what I mean. So, photo is taken. Just gonna yada 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 yada. Okay. Now just look here. And I will post them through my phone. I think I only posted one photo by accident. Not both of them. And but you can see them here. As you can see, they are a nice blue. This part's darker, but like I said, I'm not 100% sure yet. You can edit around with it if you'd like, but this is the tutorial that I have made. Credit to me, Kazuboy360, as I am the one who found this out. Well, I'm the only one that I know has reported on finding this out. But yes, I hope that this was a good tutorial, and I hope that you'll be able to make some new colors or a better updated version. If you do, please, my Discord app is right here. Well, you actually can't see it, it's just Callum. But I'll put my Discord app in the description. But thank you very much for watching, and I will, well, see you around.